By the end of this video, you will know how to bill a third-party payer in Clio Manage. Start from your Clio Manage dashboard and go to the left navigation menu. Click Matters to open your list of matters. From there, find the matter you want to configure for a third-party billing and open it. This should take you into the matter record where you can review and update its details. Once the matter is open, go to the Matters Edit page. This is where you can update the fields tied to billing and other matter settings. After the Edit page opens, move down the page until you reach the Custom Fields section. If you prefer, you can also use the Sections menu on the left side of the page and click Custom Fields to jump directly to that area. In the Custom Fields section, look under General and locate the field labeled Third-Party Payer. This is the field that connects the matter to the contact who will be responsible for paying the client's bills. Click into the Third-Party Payer field, then search for the contact you want to assign. As you type, matching contacts will appear in the results. Select the appropriate third-party contact from that list. Make sure you choose the correct contact before moving on, since that selection will be used in your billing workflow for this matter. After the third-party payer has been assigned, continue down the Edit page to the Billing Preference section. Here, review the billing settings currently attached to the matter. Check that the options shown match the billing arrangement you want to use, then make any required selections. The exact settings may vary depending on how your firm handles billing, so use the matter's billing preferences as needed for your internal process. When you have finished reviewing the third-party payer field and the billing preference section, save the changes to the matter. Saving confirms the updated contact assignment and any billing selections you made on the matter record. With the matter now configured, you can move forward when it is time to create a bill. As you generate the bill for this matter, use the assigned third-party payer information as required by your firm's billing workflow. This ensures the billing setup on the matter aligns with the contact responsible for payment. Thanks for watching. The matter is now configured with a third-party payer and ready to use for billing in Clio Manage.